Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are right now in this world of ours that they are facing a crisis and millions are unemployed. So I'm doing this video to share with you you can earn money with no money, not even a cent. I repeat again, make money with no money. I've launched a program in Singapore, but in the future I'll make it available uh, very soon around the world. But right now, if you want to learn how to earn money with no money, you can go to ClickBank, open a free account and learn. If you don't have money, then you got to take the longer way, which you learn from the YouTube videos. There are many generous, successful YouTubers or ClickBank success. They are able to share with you what are the basic steps you need to take, but you must be willing to learn and apply. It's a process. So this video I'm recording is about how to earn money with no money, and along the way you learn. Right now I'm also learning. Now I'm learning setting up Zoom webinars, and now the Zoom is the buzzword. There's lots of Zoom meetings. So I'm telling people, when they, for Singapore, I just launched it in Singapore, when they send people to my Zoom meeting and the person say yes to my program, they can earn $130, good part-time income. If 10 people a month, that is $1,300. If one a day they are able to get people to say yes, that is $3,900. So I'll teach them how to master the 25-minute presentation. So I'm conducting a Zoom meeting tonight, and those that join the Zoom meeting, when they answer, I'll pick up the person that gave the best answer, and they get to win a 1 ounce silver coin, a very beautiful silver coin, right? 1 ounce, 999.95 silver. So I love to reward people for taking action. So once they finish the Zoom webinar, I'll post a special question, and the person that I think gave the best answer will win this silver coin. So remember, it's tonight, 5th of June, Saturday at 8:30 p.m. So this is for Singapore only, this special offer. In the future, I'll do it for the global, for the world. But right now, this program is just launched in Singapore. So this offer is for Singapore only. So if you're living in Singapore, join me on the Zoom meeting tonight. Or if you're living in another country and you're curious what I'm doing, join me, because I'm also looking for business partner to make my program available in many countries. So the program is 365 days to a better life program. I'm 64. I live, all glory to God. He has saved my life many times, or else I won't be speaking to you. So I've lived more than half a century. I'm 64, and the reason I created this program is to pass on my 27 years of network marketing and my 21 years of internet marketing knowledge and experience. And I invested over 100,000 to learn from many successful entrepreneurs, multi-millionaires. I invested over 10,000 to learn internet marketing. Now they call it digital marketing. So I'm giving people an opportunity to tap into what I've learned, the $1 million lessons on business and life that I've learned, and also to leverage a global business system where they can earn a good passive income of US 10,000 or more a month. Right? And if they just want to earn the active income in Singapore, they can be my free affiliate. That means they can earn money with no money. Just recommend people the program. If they say yes, they earn $130. And the program is very affordable. Basically, the value is what I've invested 100,000 to learn $1 million lesson on business in life, over 10,000 to learn internet marketing. So the value is over 110,000. But the program is only one time, very small investment, $365, $1 a day. And then they get a full day seminar or webinar, 12 monthly 2-hour seminar or webinar, and daily emails from me to share with them $1 million lessons on business and life, to empower them and to help them live a better life. So in marketing, it is never the price, it is always the value. So I'm giving about a one year window time, because on the 28th May 2022, the price will be $3,650. So now it's $365. So you're only investing 10% of what the price would be in about a year's time. And why 28 May 2022? That's my 65th birthday. So time flies. And the reason I'm doing this is to let people know it is never the price, it is always the value. And I can confidently sell it at $3,650 because I'm giving so much value. I'm teaching people to, it's not the $3,650, it's the $110,000 value. And of course, I always believe in giving more, so I'll have some special bonuses and to give greater value, make it really irresistible. So now you have an irresistible offer. An irresistible offer is an offer that is packed with so much value, benefits and advantages, you want to grab it now, right? So that is the $1 million lesson you must apply in your life. And I give a 90-day risk-free 100% money-back guarantee on this program. If they don't earn double, at least double, I'll return 100% of their money. It's a very small one-time investment, $365. And they got my 90-day risk-free money-back guarantee. So I'm very happy that I've created this program because I want to make it available in many countries and to help millions worldwide to live a better life. Because I've gone through the long winding road, and even internet marketing itself, there's many components you need to learn. So I want to keep it as simple as possible, right? So it is pretty raw now, but the $1 million lesson is just do it, get started, and in the future I'll make it much easier, and there will be also a membership website again to add more value. So right now it's pretty raw and you get the first mover advantage. You can make money with no money. Like this, I make money with money. It costs quite a bit to print out. These are I invested to print out this, but they are all sold out. I got back my money many times. First edition sold out, second edition sold out. Break free, there is a better way to earn a living. How to be successful in network marketing. And this is only part of my collection. I have over 140 different titles. And why network marketing? So, and I'm looking for a good publisher to republish them, and I'll donate 100% of the royalty fees to feed hungry children and to build wells to provide clean drinking water. This is my paid forward project. In fact, the 365 Days to a Better Life program is a paid forward project because I don't make a cent from it. I make a cent from the business that's incorporated into it. Whatever proceeds, the balance will 50% will go to feed hungry children and to build wells to provide clean drinking water, and the other 50% will go into the training fund to make this program the best in the world. And this paperback, make money with no money, right? So the power of technology. So I just send the right format to the Amazon, and they have it on print on demand. So I have 63 ebooks, so also through Kindle publishing. So get to know, Google it. So you can learn how to do exactly what I'm doing through kdp.amazon.com. And this I'll be teaching at the 365 Days to a Better Life program, which is basically a personal development and business education program. And so this book, I make my money without a cent. So print on demand. So when people want the book, they'll print it and send it to their home. It's selling at US $19.97, and they take about 40% of commission, and 60% goes to me. So that is how it works out, right? So I go to Amazon.com, learn, and very affordable. My ebooks are only $2.99 or $3.88. That ebook version is $3.88. I got another paperback, How to Earn Your First Million in Network Marketing. That is also 1997. Ebook version is $3.88. And I got 63 ebooks through technology. I can churn out many ebooks, right? And doesn't cost me a cent to do it. Of course, I invested in the software. It's like $97 a year to create the ebooks. So you can make money with no money, and when you make your money, you must be willing to invest some of it in software to leverage your time and effort, right? So I want to keep this video as short as possible. I'm uploading it on YouTube, I'm posting it on my Facebook, and I put the link, the tiny URL link for the Zoom meeting. Click on it and you join me tonight 8:30 if you're living in Singapore, right? So now it's my clock show 5:35. So take action, love, learn, leverage, and live your dream, and I'll definitely see you at the top. Click on the link and then subscribe to my YouTube channel, visit my blog, and learn. Like Warren Buffett said, the more you learn, the more you earn. The best financial investment is in yourself. So love, learn, leverage, and live your dream, and I'll definitely see you at the top. Bye.